Good morning, guys. A very quick video. It's going to be an unboxing of the latest square. Now this is a limited edition which celebrates youth culture in the UK. Just received it today. Really cool. I really do like the square, well, squares as such, so this is going to be a great opening or reveal, so bear with me a second. Again, if you like cars, I'm in my 916 GTV and it is a 3-litre Busso, so yeah, really cool. I will one day upload a video of this car as well, but alright, bear with me a second. Let me unbox this. Okay, so I've managed to open that part of the box, the outer box, and inside we have the watch box, which is in a different case, and we have a booklet here, Growing Up in G-Shock. Oh, that's really cool. So I think this is for those of us who grew up in the UK, those of us who've grown up in the UK as teenagers throughout your entire lives, probably since the 80s when G-Shocks came out, so it's really a celebration. There you go. Part of youth culture in Britain. There we are. It's nice to see the Union Jack there on it, on the strap. So there's a booklet. It's a bit hard to do this with one hand. And it's a collection of images of youth. Well, they're definitely, well, I suppose youth, by the looks of it, all over, because that's, in England we don't really play ice hockey. So it looks very North American. Oh yeah, that's definitely England. When I was a kid, yeah. Oh, absolutely. Wearing joggers and a sweatshirt or jumper, as we call them. Nike. Hello. Oh yeah, absolutely. That's definitely England. Growing up in the 90s, absolutely, and early 2000s. Right. So I will go through the book with you guys on another video, on a full review. It's just a very quick unboxing here. So it's got the white outer boxing. Here we go. So here's the outer boxing. Very cool. Sort of shows people at a Youth of the UK at a 80s or 90s gig at a rave festival. That's quite cool. Oh well, and there's the watch itself. So very different from the usual metal sort of tin. It's quite a cool box. Yeah, absolutely. So in the UK we have huge different youth cultures here. From back in the days, you'd have had punks and skinheads. Yeah, to, well, I think that was in the, before my time, in the 70s, 80s, and early 80s, on mid 80s. Goths, garage, ravers, drum and bass people, drum and bass gang. You've got so many different groups. It's all usually generally related to music, is what I find with UK youth culture. And here we are. So very cool. I'm loving this strap. So we've got Union Jack with a sort of punk on there. Let me try and undo this. So this is a limited edition, but it is still in stock, so probably worth getting your hands on it. Sorry, I'm sniffing, I've got a bit of a runny nose. And you can sort of see the 90s ravers there. And perhaps sort of gothy people at the bottom, not really too sure. And some other youth there. Museum of Youth Culture. Very cool piece. And it's normal square. I believe this should be the updated square, where we can finally get, struggling to do this one hand, finally get the date the correct way round. Let's have a quick look. Hopefully that is the case. Oh, we're not in Paris, we're in London. Let's have a quick look. 22. Yes, this is the most important one. Sorry, viewers in North America, but we have the day and month the other way around. Yes, that is a wonderful moment for anyone in the UK, and maybe even Commonwealth. Anyone who likes the Casios, that is great. That's the key one there. Okay, so full review to follow, but this was just a very quick unboxing and for you to have a look at the watch. Wearing my Seamaster on a Zalander strap there. Do a review on that as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, have a look at my other videos, and plenty more to come. Thanks.